Moons are some of the most fascinating objects in our solar system. From small rocky satellites to icy worlds larger than planets, moons come in all shapes and sizes. So how many moons do we have in our solar system? Let's explore. Our solar system is a vast and diverse place filled with a variety of celestial bodies. Each moon has its own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be discovered. From volcanic moons to icy moons, the diversity is truly astounding. Some moons even have subsurface oceans or thin ring systems, adding to their intrigue. With so many moons to explore, each one offers a glimpse into the wonders of our solar system. A moon, also called a natural satellite, is a celestial body that orbits a planet. These fascinating objects come in various shapes and sizes, and they can be found orbiting not just planets, but also dwarf planets and even asteroids. Moons don't generate their own light, but reflect light from the sun. This reflection can make them appear bright in the night sky, and their phases change as they orbit their parent body. They can be rocky, icy, or a mix of both. Some moons have volcanic activity, while others are covered in craters from impacts over billions of years. So far, astronomers have discovered over 200 moons in our solar system. These moons vary greatly in size, from tiny moonlets to large moons like Ganymede, which is even bigger than the planet Mercury. But this number keeps growing as telescopes and space missions uncover more. With each new discovery, we learn more about the diversity and complexity of these celestial bodies. Mercury and Venus, the two planets closest to the Sun, have no moons. Despite their proximity to the Sun, they lack the natural satellites that many other planets possess. This absence of moons has intrigued scientists for years. The Sun's strong gravity likely makes it impossible for these planets to hold onto any natural satellites. The immense gravitational pull of the Sun would either pull any potential moons into itself, or fling them out of the planet's orbit. Earth, on the other hand, has one moon, a unique and significant natural satellite. Its presence has influenced the development of life and the stability of our environment. It stabilizes Earth's tilt, which helps maintain our seasons and climate. Without the moon, Earth's axial tilt would vary more dramatically, leading to extreme climate changes. Mars, the fourth planet, has two small moons named Phobos and Deimos. These moons are much smaller compared to Earth's moon and have irregular shapes. They are thought to be captured asteroids from the asteroid belt, pulled into Mars's orbit due to its gravitational influence. Now, let's move to the outer planets where the moon count skyrockets. These distant giants are not only massive in size but also in the number of natural satellites they host. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are teeming with moons, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has 95 confirmed moons. This gas giant is a mini solar system in itself, with a diverse collection of moons ranging from tiny, irregularly shaped rocks to massive planet-like bodies. 4 of these moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are called the Galilean moons. These moons are not just any moons, they are some of the most intriguing objects in our solar system, each with its own set of fascinating features. They were discovered by Galileo in 1610, and are some of the most fascinating moons in the solar system. Galileo's discovery was groundbreaking, as it provided the first evidence that not everything orbits the Earth, challenging the geocentric model of the universe. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. This colossal moon has its own magnetic field, a feature unique among moons, and its icy surface hides a potential subsurface ocean. Europa may have a subsurface ocean, making it a potential candidate for hosting life. Scientists believe that beneath its icy crust lies a vast ocean of liquid water, kept warm by tidal forces from Jupiter's gravity. Next is Saturn, famous for its stunning rings. But Saturn is not just about its rings, it also boasts an impressive collection of moons, each contributing to the planet's allure. Saturn has 146 moons that we know of, with more being discovered. These moons vary widely in size and composition, from tiny moonlets embedded in the rings to large, complex worlds. Its largest moon, Titan, is extraordinary. Titan is unique in the solar system, with a thick atmosphere and surface lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane. It has rivers and lakes made of methane and a thick atmosphere unlike any other moon. Titan's dense atmosphere is primarily nitrogen, with a touch of methane, creating a greenhouse effect that keeps its surface relatively warm. Uranus, the tilted ice giant, has 27 moons. These moons are named after characters from literature, primarily Shakespeare and Alexander Pope, adding a touch of cultural heritage to their scientific intrigue. Most of these moons, like Titania and Oberon, are named after characters from Shakespeare's plays. These moons are icy bodies with surfaces marked by impact craters and canyons hinting at a dynamic past. Finally, Neptune has 14 moons, with its largest, Triton, being one of the coldest objects in the solar system. Triton is a geologically active world with geysers of nitrogen gas erupting from its surface. Triton is also unique because it orbits Neptune backward, which means it was likely a captured object from the Kuiper Belt. This retrograde orbit suggests a violent past, possibly involving a collision or gravitational capture. Dwarf planets like Pluto also host moons. Pluto has 5 moons, with Charon being the largest. Charon is so big that it creates a double dwarf planet system with Pluto. Other dwarf planets like Haumea and Makemake also have moons. These moons are small, but they tell us a lot about the history of the outer solar system. Did you know that some asteroids also have moons? One example is the asteroid Ida, which has a tiny moon named Dactyl. These asteroid moon systems show us that moons can form in unexpected places. In fact, there are several known asteroid moon pairs in our solar system. These fascinating systems provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of celestial bodies. Scientists continue to study these pairs to understand more about our solar system. The unexpected pairing of asteroids and moons is a reminder of the complexity and wonder of space. As telescopes improve and space missions continue, we're discovering new moons almost every year. Some of these moons are tiny, just a few kilometers across, while others are massive worlds hiding potential oceans beneath their surfaces. The current count of moons is over 200, but there are likely hundreds more waiting to be discovered. Moons are a key part of understanding our solar system and its history. With each new discovery, we gain more insight into the dynamics and evolution of our cosmic neighborhood. The quest to find and study these moons continues, driving our curiosity and expanding our knowledge. In conclusion, moons are far more than just objects orbiting planets. From shaping a planet's climate to hinting at the possibility of life, each moon has a story to tell. With over 200 moons and counting, our solar system is a treasure trove of celestial wonders. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the cosmos to uncover its mysteries. The journey through our solar system's moons is just beginning. Stay curious and keep looking up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Silgin Don Durmachi,